that time of the week again, we have got our most recent box from Misfits. And I will be real honest, I have not gone online and edited what I can get. I haven't even, I don't know if it's me or if it's them, I haven't been able to figure it out. But the goal is to do that next time. So, they did send in here a little flyer. It says falling for fall fruit. Persimmons, pomegranates, pears. Talk about the different stuff that might come, what you might find in your box in October. They listed different lists of fruits, greens, hardy squash, root veggies, other good stuff. So pretty excited to see what they put in the box this time. And then they've got a suggested recipe. So let's take a look here. Woo! Look at that. That is some good looking greens right there. And that is, it's not arugula. Boy, but I know what it is. I just don't know the name off the top of my head, but I am excited about that. That's good. Fresh green onions. Fantastic. Like that. Something in the smaller box. This is always interesting. Last time it was tomatillos, and actually what we did with the tomatillos is we made green enchiladas the other night, which were fantastic. We actually got a little bit of that left in the fridge. Cooked that down with some of the white onions that we've received the last couple of times. Pretty excited about this. This one here, look at those. Those are some good sized plums. I'm pretty excited about that. That is really nice piece of produce. Jackson's been eating some of those. They're fantastic. New Zealand Queen organic apples. Continue to make applesauce with that on a regular basis. And this is why I need to adjust it. I do have, like, limes, perfect. No problem with the limes. I actually have some Tecate that'll go really well with the limes. I haven't gotten to the point, and I need to do some stir fry with the ginger, but I also need to probably, and this is a thing where I'm okay with. Even if I've got this stuff and I don't regularly utilize it, I need to start thinking about, you know, how can I regularly utilize it? That's one of the things that I like with this, is it's pushing me outside of my current box or how I think about things. That's what my goal is with all of this. A lot of fruit right now. Boy, these look good. And I'll tell you this, I would never go and get myself plums. I would never do that. So this is gonna be something a little different for me. Woo! We had some of this the other day, spaghetti squash. It was delicious. We did it with a little bit of spicy sausage, a little bit of chicken stock. We added in some kale. That was delightful and delicious. This is one, okay? I have enough celery right now to last me. Maybe I need to start thinking about how I'm utilizing celery on a regular basis, but I feel like I've got enough celery. This is a golden beet. Looks a little beat up, but really it doesn't matter. We had these, cooked these down the other day. They are delicious. They're very sweet. A fantastic piece of produce. This one, I'm not sure what I do with this many lemons on a regular basis. Okay, I use them to add acidity to to different dishes on a regular basis, but it's a lot of lemons. Okay, we got lemons, we got limes over here. One of the things I've been encouraging my wife to do is add the lemons to water and stuff like that. Another golden beet, these actually look really good. For a Misfit box, those look fantastic. Love that. Those are great potatoes. You know, in a week for us to eat 3 to 4 or 5 potatoes, there are 4 of us. Pretty easily done. So very excited about that. Definitely makes me think of a fall. Again, so we've got another potato and a couple I think these are Vidalia onions. The ones before were not Vidalias, they were white onions. Those are Vidalias. Love those, love the flavor. So a combination of this. I haven't gotten any carrots yet, but I've got carrots in the fridge. This, celery and carrots make a nice mirepoix, fantastic aromatics, really nice. 4 potatoes in there. So that is a full week of produce. Misfits Market, really, really like it. Continue to get this every single week. I think it expands how I'm thinking about food. We're getting things that would otherwise be thrown away. I'm excited about it. I like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Have a great one.